Bayad yan,
our,
ma'am.
our investment proposal for 1 million peso with the 360 days with the very conservative numbers, because we will not include the compounding interest. What we are doing here is the very conservative numbers that we will give it to you. So here, like for example, this is 1 million peso is the investment in 360 days. So the rate is 0.55, not 50 pala, 0.55% per day, which gives you 5,500 per day. A total of 165,000 per month.
Wow,
Your
laki ah.
interest rate. So how it will be work with this speaking with CARPAC? So let's say that is 360 days staking, meaning to say 1 million.
Peso yan ma'am? Peso yan ma'am? 1 million?
Peso.
Ah, okay po.
Peso, not dollar. Divide mo ng 360 days, which gives you how much? Something that 2,777. But to make sure, I need to calculate. So that we will get the ratio of the daily payout of your capital, the partial of capital. So, yeah, this is per day.
Oh, per day yan ma'am? Sa 1 million?
So 1 million, this is the daily rate. Not daily rate, the partial capital that will be released. So meaning to say per day, this is the capital and this is the
Income, daily.
Income. This is income.
5,500.
And this is capital. So, meaning to say, partial of the capital will be released every day. So, meaning to say, daily payout, together with the capital, yun? So, plus 5,500. So, 8,277. So meaning to say, if you want to get your
1M?
1M, I think it's about 4 months. So times 30, meaning to say in 1 month, you will get here 248. How much? 248,333. So how many months? So in 4 months, this is already 993,000. So technically, after 4 months, you can withdraw your capital. Then the rest, it's
Ilang
already
months,
your
ma'am?
income.
Almost.
Because here, this is very conservative numbers. Why I'm telling this is conservative? Because I never include the compounding interest.
After 4 months, naging 993,000 na siya.
Yeah,
Almost
it's up to you. If you want to withdraw that 993,000 so that you will not be worried about your capital, meaning to say that the 1 million, it's not whole already. I mean, because this daily 2,777 is the partial of the capital will be payout. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you very
So
much
within
ma'am.
4 months, you will get back your capital and the rest, that's your income.
Yun. Yan yung formula sa 1 million guys. Sa
Yeah, it's
360
1
days.
million. If you want to double it,
Oh yeah.
then just double the numbers.
Yeah.
And remember, that is very conservative
Yo.
calculation.
At least na kuha na natin.
Yeah.
Thank you very much ma'am Pen.